Hi, I'm Jane Fanyanga, the ambassador of Kakamega Days for Girls Enterprise CBO, advocating for menstrual health, education, production of reusable washable sanitary towels, and also advocating for environmental care, kitchen gardening, and support vulnerable children in schools on food, bursaries, and sanitations. I usually visit vulnerable schools like this one. It has a piece of land that is unutilized. The poverty index in community is very high. The parent can't afford basic needs for their children in schools. We have discussed on how we can develop this school. I'm out to look for support to explore the potential opportunity in the school. I'm therefore kindly requesting the global community to support the activities. Thank you.